Toronto has laid out its ambitious plan to build 65,000 new affordable housing units by 2030. But we've learned today the plan hinges on billions of dollars in provincial and federal funding that has yet to be secured.
This is a roadmap. We know the path.
Mayor Olivia Chow confident in that path. But according to a new city report, funding has only been secured to build fewer than 5,000 homes. The estimated cost for the remaining 60,000 is between $28 billion and $31 billion and will require $500 to $800 million annually from both higher levels of government.
Whether it's the Premier or the Prime Minister, they talk about housing. That's all they talk about. We need to build housing. So that's a good sign because there's consensus.
Mayor Chow says city staff have also come up with new tools to meet their targets, including making the city work as its own property developer and lead the development of these 5 sites downtown. Is the city able to say, next year at this time, X amount of new units will be available in Toronto?
Next year, we've indicated in the report that we'll be coming back to council with an update on progress that we've made, and we will likely be able to add construction start and finish dates for the 5 sites that we've identified.
Mayor Chow unveiled her new housing targets this summer, adding 25,000 homes to the already difficult goal of building 40,000 in the next 7 years. How feasible is it when it was already so difficult to even meet that initial target?
I think the comment that I would give you is, can we afford not to? And the challenge is that if we don't invest at this point in time, the costs don't go down in the future.
City staff say the lack of affordable housing is costing the city tens of thousands of dollars a month to cover emergency shelters and hospital stays. Adding the homelessness crisis now demands an even more robust range of actions to reduce those pressures.
We lost our way and now we're back on track.
What's different this time, though?
We have a city government that's prepared to lead the creation of housing. We're not just offering an incentive package and crossing our fingers.
City staff also calling on the province to extend rent control to units built after 2018. Mayor Olivia Chow says she has already met with the provincial and federal ministers of housing and plans to do so again in the coming months. For City News, I'm Tina Yazdani.